Hey everybody, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to make a easy coconut oil mayonnaise. Just a few ingredients. It doesn't have all that garbage and PUFA that you'd find in the store-bought varieties. So a couple things to keep in mind. You're going to want to use the liquid coconut oil for this. It's also sometimes called fractionated coconut oil. Also, we'll be using a raw egg. So if you're not comfortable with that, you can either look for pasteurized eggs from the grocery store, or you can look up a recipe to pasteurize those yourself. What we're going to be using for this is the stick blender. This will be your main tool. You can also use a food processor as well. One thing to keep in mind is that you want to make sure that your stick blender is the same size as the cup that you're using it in. If it comes with a cup, then it's perfect. Use that one. Just make sure there's not too much room between the sides and your stick blender. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to want just a stick blender. It's going to make 1 egg. We got a cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of dried mustard, so that's 2 teaspoons of mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, got a half a tablespoon of lemon, it's about 1/4 of a lemon's worth, and then our oil. So with our stick blender, a few pulses to get it started. Voila, nice creamy mayonnaise. And it's that easy. Just make sure you transfer it to an airtight container once you're done. A few variations, if you like, you can add some garlic, a couple cloves to it, or some fresh herbs. But then use it on, sandwiches, potato salad, all that good summer food that might be coming up. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like it, please hit that thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe so you can see all the great stuff we're going to have coming your way. Thanks, guys.